What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. And have you ever seen videos online of people making pancake art? Well, today I'm going to put to the test pancake bot. This is pretty much pancake printer art. Let's see what it does. It was actually very easy to put it together. I'm not gonna bore you with that because you can figure it out yourself. It also comes with the SD card, goes into here so you can make your own art online, but I think it's preloaded anyways already, so I'm just gonna do the preloaded ones. And this is our pancake where we're going to put in, and this right here is vacuum suction, so that way it's not spilling out all over the place. Oh wow, almost forgot to take off the cup. I guess we'll do it later. Let's make a pancake batter first. I need 2 cups of this stuff. It's already mixed flour, so that way it's easy to make pancakes. Boom. 1, 2. Then we're going to add 1 cup of milk and 2 eggs. This is going to be super easy to mix. Very important not to have any clunks inside there. What you can do to make sure that you don't get any clunks is put it to a strainer. Let's see if we have any. Look at all these little clunks. You do not want to have it into your pancake bot because it will clog it. Any of those, even the little ones. I'm not even talking about big ones. Okay, the cup on still, so now I'll just pour it all in here. Look at that. All the way to the top, to the line anyway. Okay, let me clean up and then we're gonna set everything up. This pancake bot has 2 plugs. One for the actual bot and a second one for the griddle to get hot. So first we're going to plug it in the griddle and warm it up. And right here obviously high, medium, low. I think I'm gonna put it like medium low. We're gonna preheat it a little bit more. It's on medium high. And we're going to print astronaut. Okay, let's do it. Space suit. Press on, see what happens. Oh wow, it works so good. I love the sound of it. Wow, definitely starting to look like a spacesuit. Beautiful. That's the first layer that is going to be more crispier, so that way you can see the difference. Wow, I can't believe how precise that is. That's so cool. Oh, the hands now. Oh, nice. Okay, now it's going to let it crisp out. I guess this one is just make sure it's coming out. Wow, look at that. That's so beautiful. I can't believe it worked. There goes the second layer. Whoa, that's so cool. Look at that, how it's filling it up. Filled up the face mask. Wow, that's so satisfying. I don't know how else to describe it. So what it's doing right now is just filling it up so it looks like actual pancake, not just a design. And then we're going to flip it and I'll show you what it's going to be when it's done. what's happening. I guess this part need to cook up a little bit longer, and then the third layer. I think I should have put this pancake on a medium, not medium high. Hopefully it does not overcook. Okay, third layer now. I cannot wait to see what it's going to turn out. You know what? I think my butter is a little bit too thick. I think it's supposed to spread a little bit more. So maybe I'll add a little bit more milk next time. But we'll see, maybe it will work out super well. Looks like it's filling up pretty good. That's so cool. The coolest part is, yeah, it takes a little bit of time, but you don't have to worry about pouring the pancake in or anything like that. It just does it all for you. And then you have the coolest design. Maybe it will fill it up all the way because it's doing it for the fourth time now. It's filling up everything now. Okay, let's try to flip it. Wow, no way. Okay. Whoa, check this out. It kind of worked, but I think I gotta get a little bit more liquidy butter. This butter dough is a lot more liquidy, so it spreads a little bit better. Hopefully it will work this time, but we'll find out. Yeah, I think, you know what, I don't see any gaps. I think this is the best dough. I still think it's super cool, but learning curve on this thing is pretty steep, because if you don't get the right consistency of the dough, it's not going to work. Now, as you can see, this time it's filling up all the way. Maybe a little bit even too much, but I don't care. At least it will be actual pancake, not something else. Alright, first layer is done right here. Okay, there goes second layer. Mostly just filling up the gaps. Oh yeah, look at that. It filled up all the ways, all those gaps. That's what I want. First few times it would not. It would just make so many gaps. By the way, right here there is a bar and it's going forward. When it's done, it means okay, it's over. Then you let it cook a little bit and then you flip it once it's done with all the layers. Yeah, definitely fills up much better this time. Alright, this is what it looks like so far. And a fourth layer. Okay, I'm gonna try to flip it. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Oh wow, it actually turned out the best. Yeah, that's the dough you wanna have. Yeah, it has a little spill side here and here and here, but at least we can see the actual design inside of the pancake. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be. I love it. That looks so cool. It looks pretty awesome. I love the idea, but I really thought it would be very easy. It was a little bit actually hard to figure it out, the consistency of the butter, because if it would be too runny, it would not work, or if it would be too thick, it would not work either. But if you get the right consistency of the butter, it works beautifully. The second thing, it was pretty hard to find existing designs. But overall, let me know in comments below, what do you think about pancake butt? Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.